What's up, guys? Uh, to explain my absence from fucking Legends the past few days, or really, well, I haven't posted a video for like a week, is just because, dude, I had like I think it was one terrible day with Meteor Golems, and it just like completely threw me off my game. It's like with Smash attacks, like throwers or Meteor Golems. It's like one day they work like really fucking well, and then the next day they just like it. It's just like one day they work really well, you send them in, they 3-star, and then the next day you attack a base, you send them in, they just die every single time. And it was just pissing me off so bad and just like fucking with me that I was just like, I was so unconfident in every single attack that I just kept fucking up and just making me progressively more angry. And then I was just like, fuck it, I can't use Meteor Golems, I can't use throwers, I can't use a smash attack like that. So I used the shield yesterday actually, and so I've been kind of just chilling, trying to figure out something to do or try to make something work. And in my darkest hour, I went to YouTube and I searched Itsu, and Itsu had just posted this army right here. I modified it a little bit, but and Shot Gaming actually made a video about this. A top 200 guy in Legends uses this army. Looks really good. It's a lot more controllable. It's a lot less like you just send them in, and it's not like throwers or Meteor Golems where you just send them in, you pray they don't die. And I know that's not exactly how they work, but I'm just not good at strategically spamming stuff into a base. I just can't do it. But this one, it's a Warden charge, and you'll see how it's done. Well, actually, I will play this attack for you that I just did. So, this army, I don't know, okay, it's just like Shock said. Like he said it so well that a lot of people, including me, have just been just throwing army darts at a dartboard and seeing what sticks. And just for me, this army just sticks really well for me. And throwers and Meteor Golems, they just don't. Like, I've had my best days with them, but I've also had my worst days with them. By the way, I could have got that invis. I could have got all those defenses in one invis. But anyway, yeah, so that's how Legends have been going, and it's just like very frustrating. But another thing he said that made me feel better was you guys, you probably know who Sinthe is, right? Like, pro esports player, super good at the game, like top 100 in the world. Well, he said, or Shot Gaming said, that he only averages 276. And I was like, oh my god, that's crazy. Like, 276 average? Like, I was actively trying to get a 260 or 270 average. But dude, like, knowing that, and I believe Shock when he says that. Knowing that, I believe him. But yeah, Shot Gaming, he said that Sinthe, sorry, let me recap, I had to talk to somebody real quick. But he said that Sinthe only averages 276, and I was like, holy shit. I was like, it's that little? I was like, that's crazy, because he's like a pro. So I was like, I was thinking, I was like, dude, I actually am not doing that bad, because I had this whole stipulation where, like, all the pros, they average 270 to 300, and that's not the case. Like, honestly, after hearing that, after hearing that, I believe Itsu, when Itsu said that a 250 average could get you, I believe it to an extent. I don't believe that it could get you top 200 global, like he said, but I do believe a 250 average could get you top 1,000, which is my goal. And by the way, I'm gonna try not to get mad during this video, but if I 99 1-star time fail like I just did in a friendly challenge, I'm gonna be pissed. But either way, let's get into the first attack. I slightly I don't know. You know what? I like the Spirit Fox on them. I think that'll be fine. Also got a Troop Launcher. Troop Launcher's tech. So, let's get into this. I haven't done a Legends attack in feels like a long time. Okay, so looking at this base, first off, always gotta look, is there any Flame Flinger value? Because if there's Flame Flinger value, always take it, always. Honestly, there's kind of Flame Flinger value right there, but like, I don't know, that Town Hall is kind of isolated. Well, we're gonna try to fireball the builder hut by the CC and get all of that. That would be very nice if we could. Well, we might be able to, actually. Oh my god, I don't have an ice block. I have a freeze spell. Fuck. Okay, well that's actually really bad. Okay. This is not good. If he can go over, that'd be tech. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Let's go. Let's let him work for a second. And I think we're gonna... Dude, I don't know where to put him. Honestly. Let's go ahead and just recall him over here, I guess. Let's let him work. Okay. Ah, fuck. Well, that's bad. Yeah, this is a fail. Damn it. That sucks. Dude, I don't know what you're supposed to do. Honestly, that base, you need a Flame Flinger on that base. You need one. But that's really hard to get. Getting a Flame Flinger on that base is like almost impossible. I don't know, it's just very hard. Can we maybe get this? No, we're not gonna have enough time. If we get a 98, that's not bad. This is, by the way, this is my first Legends attack with this new army. So I'm not too mad at a 90-some%. I think that's alright. But yeah, we probably should have Flame Flingered that, because if we, well, I don't know, because then again, it's like what I've got in the Town Hall. Not sure, we need the Warden to live a little longer, but that's alright. Okay, let's get into another attack. On that last one, I think I spammed my totem spells too much for the king. I should, like, I honestly, I should have just used his ability. And I should have saved those totems to keep my Warden alive through that rage. But that's what it was. It was an ice block that I didn't have. It didn't, that wasn't the reason I failed. I just didn't have it, which I need one. So let me modify the CC, because my ice blocks are not maxed. Okay, there we go. 3 totems, ice block. I think we're good. Oh my god, dude, I'll tell you right now. I'll be the first person to tell you. I fucking hate this base. Like, I genuinely hate this base, and I have no idea how to 3-star it, even now. I think the play is to fireball. Oh my god, I don't know, dude. It's such a shitty base. I got an idea. Like, this is a really hard base, by the way. I think if we can fireball the Rico cannon, and then maybe recall the Warden to the other side, and then, you know, go through the top end with the heroes, and probably start our RC down there too as well, and then maybe use a troop launcher with that. Maybe that would go pretty smooth. I'm not sure though. We're gonna try it. I want that thing down really quick. One, two. How does that not go invisible is beyond me. Okay, well that's not what we wanted, but that's okay, I guess. Let's just let the warden eat for a minute. And then we can recall him here in a second. I want him to get that fire spitter down. Okay, now we can recall. Now we can go in like 1, 2. Honestly, I think a troop launcher would be really nice here. So that's what we're gonna do. Nice. Sorry, I'm trying to get locked in. Oh my god, dude, this might be tech. Holy shit. If we don't time fail. Oh my god, that might, oh my god. That might literally, that's the first time I've ever 3-starred that base. Oh my god. And we did it in a fucking dominant fashion. That is fucking crazy. That is the first time. I've tried that base so many times with meteor golems and throwers, and I've never been able to 3-star with meteor golems or throwers. And I just dominated it. That was fucking awesome. Let's go. Okay, let's get into another one. Dude, this attack, like I'm gonna be honest, when I was using throwers and legends, and also I tried meteor golems as well, I just didn't enjoy using, I didn't enjoy using them. I just genuinely don't like that attack, but I really like this attack. This attack makes me want to do legends. It really does. Okay, looking at this base. I watched a guy use this attack on Shock's video, and I watched him 3-star this base, and he has a better way of using it than I do, so I'm not gonna change how he did it. I don't think. I think I'm just gonna keep the way that he did it the same. Except that Expo's on ground. I was gonna say, is he gonna live through that? I was gonna say he better. Let this fucking warden eat. We just gotta watch that flame flinger because that thing is on ground, and that would be bad if we don't keep an eye on it. One, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I fucked it up. He didn't do this. He actually, Sorry, dude, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because I am like fumbling. Oh my god, dude. I don't have anything to save this warden. Fuck. This is not good. I'm gonna have to rely on this fucking minion, or this fucking archer queen. Ah, shit. This isn't good. That revenge tower is gonna fuck him. Yeah, fuck. God damn it. I literally copied. I didn't. He placed his, I forget what you call it. He placed his, stuff differently than I did. Damn, that sucks. 95. That's not terrible, though. That's not terrible. And of course, achievements always pop up when I'm doing attacks, dude. It never fails. Alright, let's get into another attack. Sorry, I was really trying to lock in. Where I placed the RC on that last attack, the guy that I watched, he placed the Yetis right there instead of in front of the heroes. He placed the Yetis right there to kind of tank for the RC, because I don't know if you noticed, but my RC kind of got fried. So yeah, that's what he did. Interesting base. I think a log launcher is going to be best on this base, honestly. I'm starting from the top. I think a log... Oh my god, this is such a deep fireball to shoot. I think the log's going to be best. God damn it, I hate... Dude, this fireball is going to take fucking ages to fucking shoot. Oh my god. I only needed one, too. Okay. The warden's not... We just really gotta watch him. Let's go ahead and use a rage, honestly. I just don't want him to die, because that would be very, very bad. And I need him to take out that... Yes. Yes. One, two, three, four. Please don't die, Warden. Please don't die, Mr. Warden. Please, please. Oh my god, this is not good. I don't know, maybe not. Hold up. Maybe we'll be fine. It's a very big maybe. No, we're fucked. Yeah, it's gonna be a time fail. Wow. Hey, if we 3-star like twice, and like all the other ones are time fails, that's actually not a terrible day. It's not as bad as you would think. God damn it, that's so annoying though, because it's like I knew I was going to time fail too. I knew it. Because Legends is just like, you're just so liable to to time fail, sorry. It's just so easy. Oh my god, that's so unfortunate. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. Oh my god. Uncle, dude, it feels like just getting bent over a table and penetrated with a Badlands Dragon dildo. If you don't know what that is, those things are huge, by the way. That's what that feels like. Oh my days. Okay, let's get into another attack. Damn, this army, you guys gotta try this army. It is so fun. It's so much less just like praying and I'm gonna have to plug my phone here saying it's so much less just like praying and hoping that you oh my god. I hate this base. Let's see if this attack can. If you watched any of my videos, you know I am notorious for time failing on this base. So let's see if I can do this in a timely fashion. I think running a log launcher is going to be the play. Maybe not. Maybe maybe a troop launcher would be nice, honestly. I'm not sure, twin. Not really sure, uncle. Oh my god, I don't have a fucking ice block. Well, we're fucked. That's really bad. Where's my ice block? Why do I not have one? I have 2 recalls? What? Are you fucking serious? Oh my god. This is really bad. Recall! Oh my god! What the fuck? Oh my god, brother. Why the fuck do we have 2 recalls? What the hell is going on? This is really bad. Wait, actually. Could this be tech? I got an idea. They call me the man with the plan for a reason. Oh, we're fucked. Dude. Oh my god, dude. Gotta be kidding me. That fucking sucks. That sucks really bad. That's because we didn't have a recall, bro. Or an ice block. If we had an ice block, I could have let the warden eat for another minute or two. It would have been much better. Honestly, dude, this attack, if you want to get a 90% or more on your, like on a Legends attack, use this army, because I cannot stop getting 90%, dude. That's not, like, I'm not complaining, it's not like a bad thing, I guess. I would prefer a 3-star, though, but it's better than having a... Dude. How in the... I'm gonna have to rewatch this video and see how the fuck... How is my CC all fucked up like this? What the fuck? Dude. What the hell is going on, dude? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. 2, 4... No, okay, 6. Why the fuck? I'm so confused right now. You know, we're trashing it, we're redoing it. Hold up, because I don't know what the hell's going on. You guys watching this probably think I'm a retard. I need an ice block, this and that. How did I have 2 ice blocks in there? 2 totems? What? You know what? We're not gonna question it. Alright, let's get into another attack. We actually have the stuff this time, the right stuff. Dude, what the fuck? What the fuck? Are you fucking serious? What is this? What is the rain? Oh my god. Holy shit. How are we gonna 3-star this? Oh my god, I have no idea. Yeah, it looks like a lot of fireball value, and yeah, there is, but dude, how... See, I hate bases like this, because, like, what do you... Oh, I should have fireballed the other side. I would have got the revenge tower. And there's a sweeper right there. You see this little cocksucker? Hold up, he's right there. You see him? Just so I don't mess up, we gotta freaking get him out of there. And actually, the recording screen's kind of in my way right now. Oh my god. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I wouldn't mind just letting him eat for another second. I guess I'm just gonna start him right here. Oh my god, that popped my queen's ability? That's not good. Oh shit. It's actually bad. Okay, we have 2 totems. This is really bad. Dude, why can this attack not fucking 3-star anything? Dude, it just doesn't know how to 3-star. What? Please lock onto the warden. Nice. It's gonna be a time fail. God damn it. Dude, that's so fucking irritating. Another time fail. What? Oh, because yeah. I forgot that has a range, or the thing can't target stuff that's close. Dude, that sucks so fucking bad. Another time fail. Dude, god damn it, that fucking pisses me off. Because if we literally just had more time, that's fucking... What is that? Let's add those up. Fucking 11, 8, 19... Okay, let's get into another. Dude, we would be up 19 more trophies if we didn't have those 2 time fails. That's very, very frustrating. But that's alright. Let's get into another one. Let's try to 3-star these last 2. Oh, damn. That's hella unfortunate. I would really like to, wait, so if I fireballed up here... Oh my god, I don't know where to fireball. Oh my god, that's a rocket balloon. It's okay. Do we use a flame flinger? Fuck. I don't know. No, we're not gonna be able to use a flame flinger. There's no fucking way. We're gonna have to use a log launcher. Got it equipped. Try to plan out these invises. Okay. A Tesla. So 1, 2, 3. No, it doesn't work. This is going to take time to set up. Kind of unfortunate. 2, 3, 4. Oh my god, thank god that Tesla didn't trigger. I would have been pissed. We got terrible value though. This is not a 3-star. It's also, even if it was going to be a 3-star, it would almost 150% be a time fail. Warden's dead. Buck. Oh my god, is that another time fail? Oh my god, it's gonna be, because the furnaces. Oh my god, is that a time fail? I don't fucking know. But either way, that is unfortunate. Oh my god, dude. No, it's not a time fail. Okay, that makes me feel better. That makes me feel better. Okay, let's get into the last one. Dude, we have not gotten something that's not a 90. Not saying that I don't want a 90. I'm just saying it would be a lot cooler if we could not get a 90. What do we fireball on this base? Oh my god, I don't know. I don't even see any flame flinger value. Fuck. We might be screwed. I don't think we can 3-star this one. Dude, this is so frustrating. I just can't seem to 3-star again. But it's not terrible because it's like I'm getting like 90%, which like over 90, which isn't bad. But like I would much rather actually this is gonna be too much damage. 1, 2. Fireball right here. We get all of this. Oh, or not. Please don't die. I don't think I need anything to save him. No. Now here's the question. Where do we recall him? I guess we just recall him over here, right? And just... I guess just log launcher, I guess. Make sure he's okay. Oh my god, dude. This is bad. Yeah, this is not going good. This is going really bad, actually. Dude, we're not even gonna get the town hall now. Please, please go to the inside. Please beat on a wall. Thank you. Or please just beat on a wall, dude. Do something. Yes. Thank you. Okay, well, this is the first attack that's not going to be in the 90s. This was... I want to say it's a good day of Legends, but it sure doesn't feel like it. You know what I mean? Like, it really doesn't feel like it. Because it's like, I know, like, Sinte only averages 270, and he's literally an esports pro, but man, only being like 250 just doesn't feel like a good day. You know what I'm saying? And it could have been a lot fucking better if we just didn't time fail so many goddamn times. Like, dude, it wasn't even 250. God damn it. And it's only because there's not more time. If there was more time, it would be a fucking... Because I time failed the 99 time fail, and I know the 90 was a time fail, so there's 19 trophies right there. And you do the math on 248 plus 19. It's 260 something. But it's like, dude, that's so fucking... that's 270 something, right? No, I'm retarded. I don't know. But it's so frustrating because it's like, if Supercell, they already made the game, like, so impossible. Like, they already, like, Shock even said that Town Hall... Well, he didn't say... I don't know. I didn't watch the full video. But basically saying that Town Hall 18 in Legends is too hard. So... And so it's like the least they could do is give more time. Like, give you, like, 20 extra seconds. Like, that is the least Supercell could do to make their game a little bit more enjoyable. Now, I had fun today. This army is very fun, but it is very prone to time fails, like with every single army, just because when there's that many defenses, like, on the board, like, when there's so many fucking buildings, like, look at all the buildings. Like, dude, when you look at all these fucking buildings, and it's like, wait, I only get 3 minutes to take out all of that? It's like, that's fucking absurd, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I wish Supercell would just give more time. Just 20 more seconds, and the game would be a lot easier, quote-unquote, just because hit rates would go up a lot more because people wouldn't fucking time fail. But either way, this army is fun, and I thought it was going to do better. I don't know, I think it did really good. It just, the trophies don't show it, in my opinion. So, not too bad, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm actually going to start posting now.